Are the benefits of plastic surgery more than skin deep? I'm Duncan Hughes. I'm here joined by my friends Bajaj and Rios, and we are talking today about the benefits of plastic surgery other than the obvious, superficial, more skin level things. Anu, what are your thoughts?
I do think plastic surgery can help you feel better. Like if you've got something that bothers you and you can fix it, and that's gonna make you feel more confident, and that's a good thing.
It's true.
So, this is something as a man that I had to learn, right? So like if we're looking at it from a man's perspective and we can change some appearance that would make us super attractive to the opposite sex, we would probably do it for the wrong reason, wouldn't we? Right? We'd be doing it for the wrong reason. But what I have learned from women is that when they're coming in, they just want to feel comfortable with themselves. They're not doing it necessarily to get more attraction from, especially if they're married and they're doing mommy makeovers. They've gone through changes of life and having children. They just kind of want to get back to where they were and feel better about themselves, feel better in the clothes they wear. Maybe then it has a positive impact in their relationship.
Well, I do think, it's sort of like you hear about, you do the power pose and you wear the power suit and that makes you act more confident and walk into the room like you own it. And I think plastic surgery is part of that whole continuum of how you can just throw your shoulders back and own the room.
Well, we accessorize, right? With clothes, with watches, with hair. Why not accessorize with our body for that same reason? For me, it first sort of got drilled at home during reconstructive surgery, right? Breast reconstruction. When you go through the process with a woman and you get to see firsthand how much of a psychological impact that reconstruction can give a woman, then you extrapolate that to the cosmetic world. It's not that big of a leap. I mean, it's a comparable thing. Thoughts?
I would agree, because I do think a lot of women, especially the breast reconstruction patients, I've heard so many patients tell me that they don't ever let their husbands see them naked until after they've had reconstruction. And I think it does help with that. But I would also hesitate, in this article, they talked about it curing depression. If you've got a medical illness, it's not going to be cured by plastic surgery.
It's not.
And let's talk about men too, right? Because our clientele is 98% women, but
we matter too, Luis.
Yeah,
That's debatable.
Yeah, men come in and like gynecomastia, the big chest. They're wearing these baggy shirts and they're wearing sweatshirts. And I live in South Texas and it's like 98 degrees, 100% humidity, and they're coming in with sweatshirts. They won't
go to the beach.
They won't go to the beach. Some of these guys are young, they've got kids, they won't go to the beach, and boy, they feel so much better.
Or they won't take off their shirt in front of their wives because they're so embarrassed by it.
Right. And then we've got the other issue, which is, we see it, these women who've had children and they keep getting asked if they're pregnant. Or when are you due? When are you due?
Yeah,
and I had a funny story. My patient came back and I said, so did people stop asking you that? And they said, actually, one person came up to me and said, when did you have your baby?
Congratulations.
After her tummy tuck.
So I think we agree. It's more than skin deep.
Oh, absolutely.
Yes,
all right.
for sure.
So if you have any more questions, please visit us at theplasticsurgerychannel.com. Have a great day.